Meaning of indirect.
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 Indirect. Indirect refers to something that is not done or communicated directly, but instead through a third party or through some other means. It implies that the information or action is passed along indirectly, without being expressed directly or openly. The use of indirect communication can sometimes be advantageous, such as when trying to avoid conflict or maintain diplomacy. However, it can also lead to misunderstandings and confusion if messages are not clear. Understanding the nuances of indirect communication can be an important aspect of effective communication in both personal and professional contexts.